Hello, welcome to WireMock Cloud Academy. Today, we will look at how to work with dates and times in WireMock Cloud's dynamic response templates. Many API responses contain dates and/or times in their headers or bodies. When left as static values, they can often cause unexpected or undesirable behavior in consumer applications. WireMock Cloud's date and time handlebar helper functions help address these challenges. Let's take a look at some examples. Here we can see the use of the now handlebar helper, including the offset argument. In this example, we see the use of the now handlebar helper with its format attribute, including the arguments epoch, Unix, and custom formatters. You can find additional documentation on the custom formatters in the WireMock Cloud documentation. In this example, we see the use of the time zone argument of the now handlebar helper. Next, we'll take a look at the date format handlebar helper, where we can pass in a variable. In this case, we're using the now variable, and then print out one of four styles of date formats: full, long, medium, or short. In this example, we're going to look at the parse date handlebar helper, where again, we can pass in a string to the parse date handlebar helper and a format argument. We also see an example where we're going to pull a date from the headers In our last example, we'll look at the truncate date handlebar helper, where again, we can pass in a parsed date. We're using the now parsed date, and then an argument of first minute of hour, first hour of day, first day of month, first day of next month, last day of month, first day of year, first day of next year, or last day of year. As you've just seen, WireMock Cloud's date and time handlebar helpers make it easy to convert static date and time values into dynamic ones. Try it yourself with a free forever account at wiremock.io.